sweet baking day. Mimi woke up with sunlight tickling her cheeks. Smiling from ear to ear, she skipped into the kitchen, the hem of her yellow apron bouncing at her knees. Today is a baking day, she sang, her feet twirling on the tiles. Mum turned from the sink, hands on her hips and a knowing grin on her face. What are we making, Chef Mimi? Mimi stretched her hands as high as she could. Cupcakes, she announced. She could almost taste the soft, fluffy cakes and see the swirly, colorful frosting sparkling like jewels in her mind. She giggled. This is going to be the best day ever. Mix, mix, mix. Mimi grabbed her biggest bowl with determination. First, crunchy white flour, whoosh, into the bowl. Next, spoonfuls of sparkling sugar. She cracked 2 eggs, crack. Some shell almost fell in, but she caught it just in time. She picked up her oversized wooden spoon and began her favorite part. Mix, 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 she sang, stirring as fast as she could. The batter swirled like a mini tornado. Butter flew, sugar shimmered, and her heart bubbled up with giggles. ACHOO! The big mess. Mimi felt a tickle creeping up her nose. Oh, ACHOO! She sneezed a giant sneeze. Poof! A cloud of flour floated up, sprinkling over the table, the bowl, and Mimi's hair. It dusted over Mum's slippers and made the bowl look like a snowy mountain. Mimi blinked, looking at her floury hands and the floury room. She frowned, squeezing her lips tight. Oh no! I messed everything up. It's okay to be messy. Mum's eyes widened. But then she started to laugh, a gentle, happy laugh that made the flour seem gleamier, not so scary at all. Mimi peered at Mum, confused. You're not upset? Mum reached out, brushing flour from Mimi's nose. Not at all, love. Baking can be messy, and that's okay. Sometimes the best bits of fun are the messy bits. Mimi's frown started to melt. Really? Of course. Let's clean up and try again. So together, they wiped down the counters, shook flour from their aprons and, giggling, gave themselves little white moustaches. Try again time. This time, Mimi poured the flour slowly, no flour storms. She stirred gently, no splashes. Her tongue peeked out with concentration. Mum watched proudly as Mimi filled the cupcake cases with neat, careful spoonfuls. Perfect, darling. Into the oven they went, with Mum's help. The sweet smell of cupcakes filled the kitchen and made Mimi's tummy rumble. The big reveal. At last, the oven timer pinged. Mimi opened the door, peeking over the tray. Inside sat golden, fluffy cupcakes, perfect little pillows. I did it. Mimi bounced. Together, they frosted the cakes with swirls of ruby red icing, rainbow sprinkles, and shiny cherries on top. Mimi took a huge bite. Yum! These are the best cupcakes ever, she cheered, licking the frosting from her lips. Cupcake celebration! Mimi and Mum tapped their cupcakes gently, like glasses in a toast. Cheers, Chef Mimi, said Mum. Mimi spun and danced in her floury socks, grinning. Next time, I'll make even more. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.